So this online drama involving Olympic bronze medalist turned national rugby player Warren Weir and his now infamous police spot check video, where the entire world saw and heard the exchanges between Weir and the well-mannered police officer. While Weir went on and on about him nice car and horse dead and comfort, giving the impression that Warren Weir's car should not get stopped and Warren Weir should not get searched. Well, after about a week of beating on social media and in the real world, out comes an apology from Warren Weir, saying after careful consideration and blah, 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 and Harsted and Kofat. But you know, I think the damage is done. Some people call it entitlist mentality. Me call it old-time Jamaican bossy and hype. A lot of people of a certain class feel police stuff to stop them, much less search them. And obviously, Warren Weir, in his mind, feels he is in that class. But Spuddy would have none of it, and quite rightly so. As to this talk that the police need to have probable cause to search a vehicle, that probable cause can generally be found in the reaction of the citizen when stopped by the police. So if Warren Weir, instead of the phone camera and the hype, was more humble and said, "Everything good, officer, is me, Ambassador Warren Weir, the former runner, London 2012 123. All Spuddy would have said is, "Runner, are you? One till you're done? Anyway, run along. Argument done. Incident done."